Bead and Button 2020 is almost here, and it is time to start talking about classes. Hi everyone, my name is Fen Li, designer here at the Bead Flower Studio. And I want to talk to you about the project that I'll be teaching at the Bead and Button show this upcoming June in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. It'll be my second year teaching at the Bead and Button show, and I am so happy that they decided to bring me back. I'll be offering a beginner's class on how to make French beaded flowers. It'll be a 3-hour class on June 1st from 6 p.m. until 9 p.m. For these wild pink flowers. These flowers were designed exclusively for the Bead and Button show. And I use the Cosmo flower as a guide. The two techniques that we'll be learning in class are continuous loops and continuous crossover loops. It is a simple flower that most can finish in class. And the thing that I love most about simple flowers is that once you create many in various colors, you can create a stunning bouquet or posy that is perfect for gift giving. Now let's talk a little bit more about French beading. French beaded flowers is an old world art that began in the Middle Ages, but it is still a relatively unknown in the beading world today. However, it has been gaining more and more in popularity in the past 20 to 30 years or so. And personally, I've been making French beaded flowers for the past 18 years. And contemporary designers like me and my colleagues are bringing on the new French beaded flower renaissance with more new innovative designs and techniques. And I am so happy to be the designer that brought back French beaded flowers to the Bead and Button show last year. If you would like to learn more about French beaded flowers, I uploaded a video of the presentation I gave to the Loose Bead Society back in August. Now, with that said, I hope you'll join me in class, and I'll see you in Milwaukee.